What's up, guys? It is the Muddy Puddle Squad here. Welcome back to a brand new video. I know a lot of things about the original PlayStation, which is shown here, but I've encountered something that I have never seen before, and that is the fact that this PlayStation makes a really, really weird sound whenever you open it. Watch, check it out, observe it for yourself. You guys heard it? It's weird, huh? I was playing Ape Escape, maybe that's why it makes that weird sound, but watch. I'll try it again. Let me just go ahead and put that back. And I will try opening this again, and you guys will again hear the weird sound. You hear it? That's weird, huh? I don't think that's normal for a PlayStation. If you guys know what causes this sound, please comment down below. Please don't forget to give the video a like if you guys liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. It really helps out the channel a lot. Thanks, guys, for checking out my content, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye!